All right, so we are going to make our chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie. This is a favorite here at Movara, especially at the breakfast time. Everybody loves this smoothie. We're starting with 2.5 cups of unsweetened chocolate almond milk, a 1/4 cup of honey, a 1/2 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, a 1/2 cup of PB2. This is a dehydrated peanut butter product, and 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder. Any protein you like, feel free to use. We use the brand Sun Warrior, but feel free to use any brand you'd like. And then I have 2 frozen bananas, so I just peel these and then throw them in like a Ziploc bag, throw them in the freezer, and then I break them up before throwing them in the smoothie. And then we're going to fill the rest of the blender, or about 4 cups of ice. Blend this on high and get it into our cups. All right, so now we'll portion this into 12-ounce portions, and this smoothie makes about 5 12-ounce portions. So you will be a little bit short for the week, so you could always bulk it up or make another half a batch or make 2 batches and have some for about 2 weeks. So I'll get these into the cups real fast. All right, and there's breakfast for the week.